So like this. Very important part of that is the education. But your education is very special education. It is clearly written here, Central Institute of Buddhist Study. So it is University of Buddhist Study, Institute of Buddhist Study. That is what you are. And why it is so important? Because as His Holiness Dalai Lama always reminds us in his teachings, Buddhism is a teaching of Buddha which should be understood, and when understood, receive the full benefit. But of course, if you have unconditional, natural, intelligent, pure, genuine devotion, everything is okay. But then in 21st century now, we cannot go back. So in 21st century, that kind of faith is very rare. It will become more rare because of very obvious reason. Number one reason is world population is now 8 billion. You know, Earth's surface does not expand, and the ocean is expanding. So Earth's surface is becoming smaller and smaller. Not so much so that you should be afraid of, but little by little. And then our source of life, the energy, the water, which is coming from 3 poles: North Pole, South Pole, Central Pole. This is Central Pole. And all this fresh water source, glaciers are shrinking. We don't have to just believe it. You see. And Leh is how hot now. I couldn't believe it. I came after 46 years, of course, at the invitation of London, and many others joined, and then I came. So after 46 years, I couldn't believe I'm in Ladakh. So hot. It is really hot. And today better, but first day was very hot. And so this shows how the world is changing. But why world is changing? There must be many scientific reasons, but main thing is too many human beings. And there are only too many human beings also cannot change this much. But so much technology is developed to serve the human's need. Okay? So now, with due respect, first it is the need, then need transformed into greed, and need become greed. Okay? So when it is to serve the need, become to serve the greed, then greed of the makers and greed of the consumers, both responsible. So I tell you, when I was when I was about 30 years old, I'm in Palpung Sherabling Monastery seat, very small place. I need to make a phone call. I have to send people to Bir Post Office, Bejnath Post Office. Sometimes they don't have line. Then I have to send them to Dharamsala or Shimla Post Office to make telephone call. Yes. Now, every one of you have a telephone in your pocket, and even the monks have them. And then it is not only telephone, it is a camera. It is not only camera, it is a